The mature trees in this neighborhood are something I really love about this area, and in the front of this house is no exception. You got a great shade tree in the front of this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom starter home that's actually under $300,000. It's a really wonderful house. Immediately as you walk into the house, you're welcome to the living area. You've got an eat-in kitchen to living experience. The updated appliances are in the kitchen that go right out to the backyard. Going down the hall, you have the washer and dryer area, as well as the primary bedroom with the bay window that lets plenty of light in, and a 3/4 bath. Going further down the hall, you have the other bathroom, as well as the 2 bedrooms with the windows that face the backyard. You have a generous sized backyard back here with a covered patio, plenty of yard space, a wonderful fire pit that's right here, as well as a little bit of AstroTurf. You can really make this backyard into your own personal retreat with the space that's in here. Very clean, ready to go with a storage shed on the side. You got multiple nearby neighborhood parks, which means space for walking, kids, pets, and exercise. I mean, how many pets do you want? Yes. The elementary school particularly is in the neighborhood actually, adding convenience for families with young children. You're also just minutes away from the Rio Rancho Event Center, and you have the hospital nearby too. UNM Sandoval Regional Medical Center. As you head into Rio Rancho proper, you're met with a growing shopping, dining, entertainment, and everyday conveniences. Thank you guys for touring this property today. It's a beautiful home. Please reach out to us if you ever have any questions about this house.